Hey guys, Pop Scrap here. Scrapping apart plugs here and stuff, so just want to go through a few bits here. I'm going to make a little video here while I'm stripping, and you can follow me here. I won't be doing much talking, just taking things apart here, okay? So I'm going to start at it now. See how I do things day by day. There's a lot of plugs here. This is a after one pickup, so this is where I get a lot of my brass from. See, this is steel. Always take the steel off the brass plug. They're not always brass on top. The older ones, yeah, but the newest ones are not that good. It's a 3 amp fuse. I always keep the 13 amp. Very good for likes the wash machine, things like that. The amps, the fuses go sometimes, so I keep them for that. Took the hand myself. Throwing them all into the brass bucket here. Sorry, I'll show you all 1 second. Amp fuse, which I'll be keeping. Leave that over here. I've seen UK Scrapper who's doing a lot of plug scrapping and things like that. It all adds up, guys. Believe me, if you get enough of it, it's good. What's this fuse? 5 amp, no good. Test that, did I? I did. You spare hour, this is what I do. I try and keep top of this part anymore because it's getting way too much of it. If you don't keep on top of it, it gets a nightmare. It's not a hobby, it gets to be a chore if you don't keep on top of it. Very lucky today, a lot of these are all brass, the screws and all, extra bit of weight. Very happy. That's this 13 amp fuse. I've been breaking the brass off these ones. There's little transformers in them, so I'll be taking the transformers out of them. Great with the fallout. As I said, this is a U plug here. The U plugs has screws them are not brass. The copper on that one, take that off. Brass. Older plug. Try and strip something different for you now, guys. Try and change it up a bit. I could be at this for hours. So much of it. But this used to be a chore about a year ago, until I started keeping on top of it. Like as I said, this is from one pickup. All the wires and stuff, I just cut the wires, put these into a bucket, and I don't want to build it up too much because, God, you could end up with hundreds very quick in a matter of weeks, couple of weeks. I could anyway. So anymore, I just straight away go through them. Any guys out there, there's a lot of electronic scrapping and things like that. That 13 amp fuse, or 3 amp. There's a lot of electronic scrapping and cutting wires and stuff. You get a lot of plugs. And my scrapyard takes the wire with the plugs on it. They call it household wire, and they pay €1 a kilo for it. But it still doesn't work out. It works out better if I scrap the brass off it. A lot better. 3 amp. Now we get the odd bit of wire now and again. It comes out nicely. I think I checked these. Yeah, brass. Let's see. So there's so much in here to scrap out. Done a lot of scrapping or smaller stuff, which I should have kept for video fee. It's brass. Should have held on some of the smaller stuff, but try and get as much out of the way as possible. I do. So I have another collection. Tomorrow's Monday, so there's a good bit to be got there, I'd say. Just want to keep things rolling, keep moving stuff. Don't want stuff building up anymore. Process it as quick as I can. What's this? 13 amp, another good fuse. These fuses might be good, but 90% of the time they are good. I'm in a rhythm so far. I haven't missed the bucket yet. Another 13 amp. That's bad. But you see what, like, a lot of you find this boring, but does all of you do this out here? I presume you do. Imagine having buckets of this stuff to do. It's a chore in itself. But yeah, guys, this is a quick little video on me doing the brass. I'm going to make long videos anymore. I'm going to have scrap ready, process, electronics and stuff having beside me, so all I do is pick it up and move on to the next thing. So I'll let you go there, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one, okay? Take it easy.